Secret crabbing spot number 3. Almost flooded. We're having fun now. We'll take it.
Yeah, well, there's no bait on this. That's probably got in there.
We're having fun now. I should help her with that, eh? You need help, hon? Hon, you need help? You need help? Oh, look at the crane. There's Fraser Crane. Get out of my secret fishing spot, buddy. Go find your own. Shell, your house is safe. There you go, crabby. Okay, going in the pot. He's going in the pot, that's crabby. Let me take a picture of this dockage over here. Show Shell. Where Ione is. Ione! Ione! Can you hear me? Ione! Ione! No answer. Pretty high tide here.